What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Friday. Weather's not the best as always, you know, early here in spring, but there's the truck, there's the Jetta. Surprisingly enough, today's video is not on the truck. I know you've seen a lot of green in your feed, but it's actually on the Jetta today, which is surprising because I haven't made a video with the Jetta in a long time. But if you guys follow my Instagram at 67lime with my truck, you notice that I've got my tires, I got two of my wheels, my lift kit's in, and I'm waiting on my shocks and two wheels. And this truck, it should be lifted early next week. I'm waiting on my Fox shocks to come in. Not getting the basic shocks, upgraded full out to the Fox 2.0, dual stabilizers and all around. And there's a fifth shock on my truck right now, which is actually interesting. Not stabilizer, it is between my axle and my frame. That I might it's a Bilstein, but if I find the right measurements, I'll probably upgrade that to a Fox shock down the road. I don't know if it'll fit when it's lifted or not, but that's that. So that brings me to my point for today. The Jetta. Since I bought the truck, I have barely driven the Jetta, and I'm gonna be honest, since I bought the truck, I have not filled up the tank in the Jetta. It's probably been like 2.5, 3 months, and it's been sitting on the same tank of gas. And I went to drive it the other day, and she was running a little rough. And every time my buddy fills up, he puts 93 octane in everything he owns. He puts 93 in his Beamer, he puts 93 in his Ford Transit, he puts 93 in his leaf blower. You know what I mean? Everything. And he says, dude, my stuff runs so much better. Which is actually funny because neither of those cars are turboed. He doesn't have any turbos on those cars. But my Jetta is turboed. And same with the truck, is turbo, but it's diesel, not gas. Today, I'm gonna go fill up my Jetta. And my Jetta has not seen anything higher than 89 octane once in its life. It's, you know, I think I put 89 in it one time, and that was just, you know, just cuz. We're gonna go and put 93 octane in my Jetta. It's turboed. I'm gonna see if there's any initial, you know, differences in power, idling, stuff I can feel. Because right now it's kind of like idling and it's kind of puttering a little bit. And I'm like, that's not good. The fuel is, I've been running on 87 for the longest time. And I'm gonna get there, I'm gonna load up with 93. I'm hoping she's gonna like it, and we'll see how much better this car does performance-wise, you know, initially. So we're gonna head over to the gas station. We're gonna fill up, which is, it's actually funny because what's worse than having an empty tank of gas? Having two empty tanks of gas. My truck was empty this morning. Filled it up with 27 gallons of diesel fuel, and we're gonna go to the gas station and fill the Jetta up with about 12 gallons of 93 octane fuel. So I just say it's an expensive day at the gas station, but hey, you gotta pay to play. So we're gonna head over to the gas station right now, and we're gonna fill up the Jetta with 93 octane and see if there's any performance differences in the car. Ain't that right? Guys, we're back in the OG whip. I've had this car for like 2 years, and I got a little tint happy and hit every window possible with film. 320 or 362 miles. We are out of fuel. Last time I filled up was March 1st, so over 2 months ago. This is funny because this car is so much different than my truck. You know, they're both manual, but the truck is so much more torquey that, you know, driving this actually feels funny. So $45 later, she's all filled up. It was about 60 cents more a gallon than the 87, so make it simple enough, just about 50 cents more a gallon, even though it's 60, simple math. 12.5 gallons, you're looking at $6 extra to fill up with premium fuel. Now, is the $6 worth it? We're about to find out. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna start her up for the first time on 93. Obviously, there's still some old fuel in the lines, so it'll take a second. But first start up. Don't feel any puttering, and she idles smooth. So we're gonna take this sucker on a drive. Guys, we're driving. We are way out. I just drove way out, no direction at all. 17 miles out on a trip to really see how this tank of 93 octane feels. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it feels great. The downshifts feel amazing. Get one here. I'll go down again, hold on. A little bigger pull here. You can see the road is wide open, and so the downshifts feel amazing. You know, the car just feels a lot, you know, better. It feels clean, smooth, power band. You know, everything just feels clean, and it feels good. It just feels solid. So, like I said, for the cost of a Chipotle burrito, for your car to run smoother, cleaner, and depending on which station you use, tons of additives in there, 93 octane only, that'll help clean your engine. So for the price of $6, as we get on the highway here, burrito to make your car run better and potentially you know, improve fuel mileage. Stay tuned for that in the next few videos. Keep your engine cleaner, running better, and all of that. You know, the car just feels like it's got more power, more juice, more, you know, get up. So I'm like, for the cost of $6 added to your tank, or depending on how many gallons you have, it might very well be worth it, especially on a turbo car. Most turbo cars, like if you saw inside my gas tank, there's a sticker that says 87 minimum, 93 max. It just tells you what octanes you can run in this car. Some cars, they don't want you running above 87, and people do it anyway, and they say their car runs a lot better. And some cars, for that matter, make you run at least 89. I know some Audis, BMWs do say that inside the owner's manual and the gas tank. So if you guys want to try it out, recommend it. You know, it might be an extra $6. You know, you might not eat lunch one day, but your car will run better. So try it out for yourself, guys. I'm digging it. You know, I'm digging it, and I might be doing this more often with this car, obviously, because the centane levels in diesel are pretty much standard, but the octane levels in your fuel, you can pick. You know, you have options. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please click subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Have a good day. And yeah, try this out for yourself. Peace.